This right here on the screen is a Clickbank award, and this is called the Clickbank Platinum Award that I got given to me in 2021. And what that means is I have been put in a specific club for that year on how much I made on the Clickbank platform. And that means that I made between $250,000 and $5 million in that specific year. And I made this as an affiliate promoting products from the Clickbank platform. And what I want to do in this video is show you how to make money with Clickbank step by step in 2023. Now, what I'm going to do in this completely free tutorial is I'm going to take you through my 3-step process. We're going to cover the product, we're going to cover the content for that specific product, and we're going to cover the traffic so you can make money with the Clickbank platform. Now, you're going to want to stay all the way to the end of this video. I've been making money online with Clickbank and other platforms for many years, and I know exactly what you need to do to get started with making money using Clickbank. This is going to be a free step-by-step tutorial showing you everything that you need to know to get started. Now, if you don't know what Clickbank is, it's when you find other people's products that you can promote for a commission. So you go ahead and get your own custom link. When people click that link and make a purchase of that product, you get paid a commission, so you don't need to have your own product or do any support or anything like that. You simply just send the traffic. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that right now. So let's jump into this tutorial and I'll show you how to make money with Clickbank in 2023. All right, guys, so this first step to making money with Clickbank is to head over to a website called Clickbank. And when you are on this website, you can see all of the information and what Clickbank is about. Now, essentially what Clickbank does is it acts as a cart for people selling products online, digital products. And what we can do is we can promote those products and we get a commission. So the first step you want to do is you want to click start here. Now, I'm not going to click this because I'm already logged in, but when you click start here, you can sign up for your very own Clickbank account. It's completely free to do. Once you have signed up to a Clickbank account, you want to head over to Clickbank and then click the marketplace in the top of the menu. Once you're in the marketplace, you're going to come to a page that looks like this, and there's some questions that have been answered, frequently asked questions, and then there's some information. Now we have these things called categories. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click top offers just for this tutorial right now, and I'm going to show you some stats. Now these are the top offers that are happening right now on Clickbank, and this changes all the time because there's new products coming along into the marketplace quite often. Now the top ones are usually going to be health products, because people, what they do is they go and advertise health products on Facebook, and they do very well via advertising, but that's not what we're going to be doing in this tutorial. I'm going to show you a much easier way. Now, this is called a gravity score. The gravity score is important because it tells you how many people have made a sale, how many affiliates, have made a sale in the last, I think it's either 30 or 90 days. I can't remember. It has changed recently, but it will say, the higher the gravity, the more sales this product is making. And low gravity is not that bad either. It really just depends on the particular product. But if you can see here, this is a gravity of 600 and this is 1000, so that's a massive jump. So this particular product is selling insanely well right now. So gravity score gives you a really good indication of how popular a particular product is. And then here it's got your average conversion. So this is essentially what you're going to make, or what people are making on average right now with this particular product. And to promote the product, you just click promote and then go create hop link, and you get a custom link that you can copy. And when someone clicks on that link and makes a purchase, now remember, you only make a commission when they purchase, not when they click, but when they purchase, you get a commission. So let's get started, and I will show you a very basic, easy, simple to understand way where you can go and make money right now with Clickbank. And also, before we actually move on to the next step, I forgot that there's actually categories on the left here. So for example, we could click on e-business and email marketing or e-marketing, and it's going to give us a products in a different type of niche, and it's all the same. All the stats are the same. So what you want to do for this particular method is you want to go ahead into the search bar and you want to put in woodworking. Now, what we're going to be looking for in this one is a product called Ted's Woodworking. Now, Ted's Woodworking has a gravity of 121, which is pretty good, but this is called an evergreen product. So this particular product has been around for years. It's been around for longer than I've even been working online. I've been working online for maybe 8 years. So this is a very popular product that's evergreen, and it's consistently selling, and that's why it's still very popular on Clickbank. Now, what we can do is we can actually go to what's called the affiliate page. So I'm going to open up the affiliate page real quick. And on the affiliate page, what it does is it's going to give us tools that we can use to promote this specific product. So we can make up to $125 per sale. And then it's got all of the information. Now, this is called an EPC, is earnings per click. So on average, people are earning around about $2 every single click. Now, they don't get paid for the click, but the overall sales divided by the clicks works out to be $2, and this is US dollars. And then down here, you have your affiliate links and stuff, and you can get custom pages as well. So this is the affiliate page where you can get all of the information that you need to promote this particular product. So the next step is we want to head over to ChatGPT. Now, we used to do this without ChatGPT, but because we have ChatGPT, it's made things much easier for us. What we want to do is we want to tell ChatGPT to do something for us, and then it will all make sense once we progress through this video. So what I've done is I've asked it to write me a video script with the best woodworking tips. Now, the reason why I said video script is just because it gives me a better format. You don't necessarily have to use this in a video. It just gives me a much better format to use when I do this. And ChatGPT, there's lots of advanced features and prompts you can use. I'm not using any of those right now, so keep in mind you can get much more advanced with this particular AI software. So it's given us 6 tips here that we can go ahead and use to create our content. The next step is you want to go to a website called invideo.io. I will leave a link in the description. It is an affiliate link. I would get a commission if you signed up. Now, with invideo.io, you can go ahead and create different type of video content using their specific templates. So if I go to templates, so it really depends on what type of content you're going to be creating. We are going to be creating a video with this, but oh, look, you get a coupon. I did not know that. So save 25% off our plans with a coupon. So put in save 25 if you click the link below. What you want to do in this particular one is you want to click the shorts templates. These are the shorts here, either Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, Facebook Shorts. You can use these type of templates. What you want to do is you want to find one with a very simple background, because we're going to get rid of the background. The background does not matter, but you want to make sure it has like lots of really good readable text and a really clean font that's not overloading the person looking at this. So I'm going to click on this earth one right here, and I'm going to go use template, and then we're going to use this template. Now the next step is we need to get some free content. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the search bar right here. I'm going to make sure it says videos. I'm going to go to the search bar and I'm going to put in woodworking. And what it's going to do is it's going to give us some woodworking content. Now, some of this stuff is going to be free, and some of it you are going to have to be on the paid plan. So InVideo does have a trial. I'm on the premium plan, so it shows me a lot of these videos. So what I can do is I can drag one of these onto my short, and I'm just going to go replace, and I'm going to go add. And it should replace the background. I hope it doesn't. Yeah. So what it's done is it's replaced the background. It hasn't replaced the text, which is good. And we're going to go ahead and play that real quick. And get rid of that audio. Okay, so I'm just going to clean this up a little bit real quick, guys, because all of this stuff is not needed. Okay, so what I've done is I've gone ahead and I've just put the text in. We're going to change the text in a second. Now, that video is not very good. To be honest, it hasn't come out very good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually drag in another video right here. Before you do that, though, I'm going to go add. Before you do that, what you want to do is you want to click add scene. So what I did is I clicked add scene, and I'll do that again real quick. I'm going to go add scene, blank scene. And what it's going to do is it's going to give us a page that looks like this. Now, what you could do is you could actually do that and you could delete the front one, because the front one isn't that good, but I do like the text. But with this one, there's 2 things you can do. So a scene is like you're editing in different sections of this. You could actually stretch this out to look like this. Okay. Which, let's have a look here. I actually do like that, so I'm going to stick with that. And we already have some music that it's put in, but if you do want to find some more music, you just click on music. Now, what I would do if it was me, I would do 5 scenes, because we have 6 tips, but we'll just say 5. I would do 5 different scenes. Now, for this particular tutorial, I'm going to just do, because I think I have to keep it under a minute, right? Yeah. I'm just going to do the 2 scenes for now. But what you would do is you would do 3, 4, or 5, and you would shorten it down. Now, the next step is we need to actually go ahead and put the text in. So I'm going to keep the I'm going to keep this text here. I'm going to get rid of the top one. I'm going to keep this one bit of text here. And that video is pretty bad, but you can put in another one, obviously. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my ChatGPT and I'm going to copy the first tip. Use sharp tools. So this is going to be tip number 1. And we're going to just change this here. We're going to go paste in our stuff. And I'm going to, you need to format it a little bit better. Like obviously this formatting is pretty bad at the moment. Oh, it's not too bad. All right, guys, I just cleaned this up a little bit because I thought the video looked a little bit dull on the first scene. So this is now our first scene here. And what I've done is I've gone ahead and added another scene for us just down here. So you can see this bit of wood coming through this planer here. Now you can actually see what I've done is I put a little square with round edges on the background under the text just to make the text pop a little bit better. Now you can do this and you'll find other people that are doing this make the box like yellow, red, blue. They make it really, really bright to stand out. But this is a example of what we're going to be using to go ahead and get traffic. So I'm going to actually export this right now so it's ready for us to use. But what I would recommend is building it out to, I think it's under 1 minute for the method we're going to use. But another thing that I also thought of is instead of just doing write me a video script with the best woodworking tips, you could do best woodworking tips on how to build a table, best woodworking tips on how to build chairs. And you can start to branch out with your traffic when you're trying to get traffic on specific things that are getting made in the woodwork space. So you don't have to just do, this is a very basic generic one, but you could actually branch it out. And what you can do is you can look at that particular product, the woodworking one, and you can actually see what type of stuff that they have. You can go and search it. And on the affiliate page, you go click on the affiliate page, wherever it is, and you can actually go ahead and see what type of plans they have in there. So what the woodworking thing is it's woodworking plans. You can see what the plans are for, so you can do content based on specific things. Now you might be asking, how do you actually go ahead and get the traffic to this video? So I'm going to go ahead and export this right now, and I'm going to do it in 1080p. You'll have to do it in 720p if you have the free version, but I'm going to export that right now. Now there's 2 ways we're going to focus on getting traffic, and I'm going to show you a pretty simple way first. So the first way, and what I recommend, is there's a few ways of doing this. I recommend going into Facebook groups like Woodwork for Beginners and sharing some tips, okay? Now, you're not going to post your affiliate link in, you're going to share tips, and then you're going to post your affiliate link on your profile. And so you can say to people, come to my profile to see more tips, and you can have your affiliate link in your profile bio. Now, another way is what you can do, and we can use my own group here to show you, is what you can do is you can go ahead and start your own group based on woodworking tips. And then what you can do is on this specific page, and this page isn't live right now, but what you can do is you can actually, you can do it right here. You can edit the description, and in that description, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and get your affiliate link. And you can say, hey, welcome to the group. Check out these free plans, and you would post in your affiliate marketing link. Now, what you would want to do though is you would want to cloak that link by using a link shortener so people don't actually see the entire link because it's very long and messy, and it's more trustworthy if it's actually used in a link shortener. So you can go ahead and use something like short URL, and you can post it here. You can go shorten URL, and it's going to shorten that URL for you so it looks like this, and then you would post that into your Facebook description on your Facebook group. Now, it's pretty important to not go ahead and just spam content and spam links. You want to build up a community, and then also put your affiliate link in here. So those are the 2 ways I recommend doing it with Facebook groups. There's another way that I recommend you do it, and that is by going to YouTube, and this is why I said we need to do shorts, and creating YouTube shorts. It's like these ones right here. So these guys actually do it where you can have the video in the middle, and then you can have text above and below on a color background. Now, you can do this in video, which is what I showed you before. And I would recommend doing this way because you're putting out a video, and shorts are getting pushed a lot right now on YouTube, and they are much more interactive. And if you look at this particular YouTube channel, now this is this channel is probably a bad example because they have 6 million subscribers and they do all sorts of different types of content. But as you can see, they're doing videos on woodworking as well. And then this one here, he does videos on woodworking. Now he is actually doing the videos himself. Keep that in mind. Sorry about that. That video just started playing. But this is an example of how shorts are going quite viral right now. And you don't need a huge channel to actually go ahead and make these videos get views. But yeah, that's how you can go ahead and get the traffic. But what I would recommend, I'm going to show you right now, was just going to go ahead and pretend to upload this particular short, because it's very important that you use the right keywords and everything to go ahead and get traffic. So what I would recommend you do, and this is why I said it would be important to go ahead and do it on a specific topic. So I'm going to put I'm going to put 5 best woodworking tips for making tables. Now, keep in mind, right? This is really important, because what a lot of people do is they will go ahead and do methods like this, and they won't optimize or anything like that, and they won't get any views, and they're like, oh, this doesn't work. We know that this works for other people. So you really just have to get all of this down packed and right, and then it could potentially work for you. Now, this is probably the most important part when you're starting. Creating the videos doesn't really matter when you're starting, because getting the views is going to take some time. But what you want to do at the start is focus on the optimization first, and then later on, as you get more views, focus on doing more videos. And then you also want to do a description of about 100 characters minimum, because this also counts towards your rankings in Google and where your shorts get pushed to. And then down the bottom, you're also going to want to use what we call tags. Now you can use Video IQ if you want, and it's going to give you keywords that you can use, and the paid version will give you more keywords that you can use. But you just want to put in stuff like best woodworking tips, and just stuff that comes to your mind. And it also gives you actually suggestions. So best carpentry tips as well you could use. It's actually messed up there because I chose to, and I had it on the thing. I did tips and tricks. So best woodworking tips and tricks, best carpentry tricks, and things like that. All right, guys, so that's how you can go ahead and make money with Clickbank. But remember, this also can be used on other products, not just the woodworking. This is actually extremely popular in the health niche as well, where people go ahead and do health tips using invideo as well. So you could try different types of products to do this on, but the point is you need to create the tips and create the community, and then start to promote the products. All right, guys, that's how you can make money with Clickbank in 2023. I'll see you in the next video. Hit that like button and hit the notification bell so you know my next video comes out. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you then.